Hare Krishna devotees, my name is Anu and we host Bhakti Vriksha at Belmont Road, Ilford. I wanted to share my Krishna consciousness journey today. It all started in 2003 on my very first visit to Soho Temple, when I was totally hooked up by the aura of the temple and the deities there were so magnificent and beauteous, and luckily I was handed over a Bhagavad Gita as it is on the very first visit, and I felt fortunate about it. As the time passed, I visited the temple more frequently, and I used to attend Sandhya Aarti there, and really I was really much liking the Shri Radha Madhav song, and on top there were so many classes I attend, but still there was something lacking in realization. I was listening those things just to get peace of mind and to learn. Then in 2013, I met Yogesh Prabhuji through one of our neighbors, Sheetal Mataji. He visited us to do Kirtana at home. At very first visit of him, I really felt his devotion was very strong, and I felt him very compassionate about his preaching and all. And then we get engrossed in his in Krishna conscious activity more and more, and finally in 2015 there was a change for whole of us in family, as we started Bhakti Vriksha here at Belmont Road in October 2015, I remember. And then since then there was so much to learn about Krishna, so much to learn about activities and services and spiritualism about Krishna consciousness. And then we get connected to Shri Vinod Bihari Das Prabhuji, Balram Kripa Prabhuji, and Venu Vandan Prabhuji, and all of them they are very, very highly knowledgeable persons who always guided us very well. And me and my whole family, they are fortunate to have their company along with Yogeshwar Gopinath. I really believe it's Krishna's mercy upon all of us that we got to so much nice devotional association. And on top of that, I wanted to add that the best thing I like about being in Krishna consciousness is that they really involve and engrossed all the children during any kind of services. You name it, Mani Hati festival, Narasimha Chaturdashi, any kind of festival, they have given particular time for dramas, their performances. So in that sense, they really involve children. And I sincerely want to thank Tarani Gopi Mataji for giving her time and for teaching children all the shlokas, and I really like the way she teach, and on top it really helps it really helps children to develop the taste of chanting, to learn about shlokas, and it builds children's base to start their own spiritual path and own spiritual journey, in fact. And even though if kids are playing or doing writing or kind of any coloring or any activity, but they are listening to the Hari Nam at the same time when the Kirtan or Bhakti Vriksha is going on. So it really helps them to learn about Krishna. It really helps them to learn about the services, and it affected my family and my children a lot, because my son who turned 8 just now, he does chanting very well, and then even on Narasimha Chaturdashi he surprised us by doing 40 rounds of Hari Nam, which I wasn't able to do at the time of the day, but he did it with his heartfelt feelings, which was very, very surprising for me. And on top, I wanted to share my own Panihati festival realization as well, because it's been 4 years, nearly 4 years, and that I was participating in Panihati festival, getting the items ready, preparation and decoration and all that. But it was the first time ever I have painted a pot myself. So big thank you to all of the devotees who supported this festival, even this time of lockdown, and how well it went. And it was I was totally amazed by all those. My sincere gratitude to Yogeshwar Gopinath Prabhu for teaching us attentive, focused chanting, and to be consistent in that. Because in this miserable age of Kali Yuga, there is no liberation without the name of Harinam. So that's why we should always be focused and be attentive towards chanting, and we should take Hari name always, and we should keep Krishna in all the activities and services we do. And I pray to Lord to keep His mercy, to shower His mercy always on us, that we keep on attached and engaged in His services all the time, and association of all these devotees are very important to us. So I always pray to Lord to keep us in all in the association of all these senior devotees. Hare Krishna.